Here's a number that should worry you. The median retirement account balance for Americans approaching retirement age is well under $100,000. Not the average, the median, the actual middle. Using the standard withdrawal math, that funds maybe $400 a month. The 401k was supposed to replace the pension. For most people, it hasn't come close. Today, we're decoding why your 401k alone probably isn't enough and what to build around it. First, some history you were never told. The 401k was never designed to be America's retirement system. It started as an obscure clause in a 1978 tax law, mostly used by executives to defer bonuses. Then corporations realized something. A 401k costs a fraction of a pension. So over the following decades, the pension quietly died, and its replacement became a do-it-yourself system where every risk, market risk, savings risk, longevity risk, moved from the company to you. Understand what that trade actually was. A pension paid you a guaranteed income until you died, and a professional managed the money. A 401k pays you whatever happens to be in the account, managed by you, an amateur, in your spare time against Wall Street. If you save too little, invest badly, or retire into a crash, that's entirely your problem now. That is the system working as designed. Now the math of why balances fall short. The standard advice says save 10 to 15% of income for decades. But real life interrupts. Job changes, medical bills, kids, gaps. Millions of workers get no employer match. Millions more cash out their balance when switching jobs, paying penalties to burn their own future. The system assumes 40 years of uninterrupted, disciplined saving. Almost nobody's life looks like that. Then there's the withdrawal math nobody explains. The rule of thumb says you can safely withdraw about 4% of your balance per year. Flip that around. For every $1,000 of monthly income you want in retirement, you need roughly $300,000 saved. Want $5,000 a month? That's $1.5 million. Now that median balance, under $100,000, looks like what it is, a few $100s a month. And your 401k has quiet leaks. Many plans charge administration and fund fees that can run a full percent per year or more, compounding against you invisibly. Traditional balances are also not fully yours. Every withdrawal is taxed as ordinary income, and at 73, required minimum distributions force you to withdraw whether you want or not. $1 million 401k might be $700,000 after the tax man is done. So what does enough actually look like? It's a stack, not a single account. Layer 1, still the 401k, at minimum up to the full employer match. The match is an instant 50 or 100% return. Ignoring it is refusing free money. Max it if you can, but the match is non-negotiable. Layer 2, the Roth. Roth IRAs and Roth 401ks flip the tax deal. You pay tax now, and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free, with no required distributions forcing your hand. A retirement built from both traditional and Roth money lets you control your tax bill every single year of retirement. That flexibility is worth a fortune, and the earlier you start the Roth layer, the more it compounds tax-free. Layer 3, a regular brokerage account. No contribution limits, no age locks, no permission needed. Long-term capital gains rates are gentler than income tax. And this is the money that can bridge you if you want to retire at 55 instead of 65. Early retirement is almost never funded by a 401k. It's funded by assets you can touch. Layer 4, income you own. A rental property, a small business, dividend payers, anything that sends you cash without selling the asset. Pensions died, but you can rebuild one privately. Assets that pay you monthly are exactly what a pension was. Even a few $100s a month of owned income takes real pressure off every other layer of the stack. The uncomfortable truth is this. The 401k shifted retirement from a promise into a project. Nobody is coming to manage that project for you, but a stack, match, Roth, brokerage-owned income built steadily over 20 or 30 years beats what most pensions ever paid. The system handed you the risk. You may as well take the returns too. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Every video, we decode how money actually works. Because the people who understand the system are the ones it works for.